What's up guys, it's Kimberly back with another video, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what is inside my makeup bag. So if you want to see what's inside my makeup bag, continue watching this video. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe down below to join the Kim J fam, because I'd be glad to have you a part of it. And don't forget to hit that ding dong bell so you never miss a thing on the channel. Let's get right into the video. So guys, this is my makeup bag. It is just black, and I like this like texture of like material on the front of it. I got this for Christmas 2019. I have no idea where it came from, but maybe I'll link it in the description if I can find it, or if I find out from my mom where it came from. But this is what it is. It's very, very big. It holds a lot of stuff. It holds what was in my old makeup bag plus some new stuff that I got recently, and I'm also going to be cleaning this out. So some of the stuff is expired in here, so it's going to be a lot lighter and a lot less puffy when I finish this video, because a lot of this stuff is expired and some of the stuff is almost empty too. So here's my makeup bag. It's black and it just has like a gold rim around it, and the zipper is also gold. So let's get right into the makeup bag. So the first thing inside my makeup bag is my Hard Candy Sheer Matte Setting Spray. I absolutely love this setting spray. It's one of my new favorites. I picked it up at Walmart. Can't really remember how much it was, but this is a very new thing that I just started using, and I absolutely love it. I'm wearing it today, I'm using it today, and it has my makeup looking very, very matte. You guys tell me what you think, but I think it works really, really well, and I'll probably pick up another one, but they have like 2 or 3 other ones, so I'll probably pick up another one too. The second thing in my makeup bag is my Stay Matte by Rimmel London concealer, and I really do love it because it's very close to my skin tone, and it's the very first one I've used that is very close to my skin tone, so I enjoy that. The next thing is in here is my e.l.f. Hydrating face primer. I have this face primer forever. It's empty, like it is done. There is nothing else left in here, so this will be trashed, but I've been using this forever. I really do love this face primer. I'll probably rebuy it because it's $6, so it's very inexpensive. e.l.f. is a very inexpensive brand, and that's what I really love about them, because they give you quality products for an affordable price, and I feel like that's why everyone will always love e.l.f., and that's why I personally will always love them too. The next thing in here is my Feeling Beautiful Rejuvenating Cucumber Plus Pink Salt Clay Mask. It's a mini one of the ones that I got from Five and Below. I love keeping this in there because if I take my makeup bag somewhere, I know that I have a face mask to use, you know, and it's not like a big bottle, like it's not one of the really really big ones. But yeah, I really do love this. One of my favorite ones to use. The next thing in here is this black pouch. This also came with the makeup bag too, so I really do love that, even though realistically, how many brushes could you actually fit in here? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, I don't know. But I do have one in here. It is dirty. It is a BH Cosmetics brush. This is from the Marble Luxe collection. But I really do love the gold handle on here. I think it's super, super cute. It's like rose gold. It's showing up gold on camera, but it is more of like a rose gold and marble. I really do love this brush. It's really, really cute. And then I also have a dirty Jeffree Star sponge in here, and I also have one of the smaller ones in here as well. That is what's in this mini pouch right here. The next things inside of my makeup bag is my Maybelline New York foundation. I just repurchased this for the first time in like 2 years. It's the first foundation I ever really used, and I really do love it, so I rebought it. And my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, I have been using this forever. This is pretty much almost emptied, like very, very, very empty. Like I used it today, but it's cutting pretty close, and it's getting pretty close to being expired as well. So I'm trying to use it as much as I possibly can until it gets expired, but I'm gonna go ahead and purchase another one. I really do love it, and it's only a $6 foundation, and it's really good. But yeah, this is getting trashed because it is pretty much empty. There's probably not even another pump in here. The next thing in my makeup bag is my Neutrogena makeup removers. You gotta have a makeup remover wipe in your makeup bag. But these are my favorite ones to use. Pretty sure every girl and her mother has these in their makeup bag. But yeah, they're like my favorites to use. So, but there's only like 2 or 3 towelettes in here, so I'm probably gonna use those. But I'm not gonna trash them because I'm gonna use them. So The next thing in here is my Morphe 9C palette. I think this palette is expired now. I used it a decent bit, but not as much as I wanted to before it expired. It's really, really cute. I liked it, but it is expired now, so time to trash it. And then I also have my Tarte Toasted palette, and this is expired too, I think. Pretty sure this is expired. And it is really, really, really gorgeous. I love this palette. I'm definitely gonna rebuy it. It's really, really, really cute. So many neutral like oranges and browns. My favorite palette, basically me in a palette, because I love neutrals. But love this palette, but it is expired. Then I have my e.l.f. antioxidant booster drops in here. These are very, very new. I have been using these a lot. I absolutely love these drops. If you have not tried them, definitely try them. And the next thing I have inside my makeup bag is my Makeup Revolution Sophie X highlighter palette. I have had this for quite some time. This is definitely expired. It's super, super gorgeous. The highlighter shades in here are super, super gorgeous. I really do love this shade and this one. These two are like my two favorites out of this entire palette. I love all of them. They're very, very gorgeous. But again, I like the browns and the oranges. I feel like they go up my skin tone a lot more. So genuinely love this, but this is definitely expired. The next thing inside my makeup bag is my Makeup Revolution Sophie X Revolution Extra Spice palette. Yeah, this is going to blind you guys. It is a really gorgeous palette. I don't think this is expired yet, but it'll be expired in another like 3 or 4 months, I think. Beautiful palette, lots of amazing shades in here. So this is not expired yet, so we're keeping it. The next thing inside my makeup bag is my Makeup Revolution X Rachel Leary palette. This is very, very new. This is the Goddess on the Go palette. It has highlighters and some shades over here. Love this shade. Literally my favorite color in an eyeshadow shade, which is perfect. But I love this palette in general. I think it's super duper cute. But this is very, very new, so we are keeping this. The next thing inside my makeup bag is my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I got this for my birthday when I turned 18. Pretty sure this palette is expired by now, but it's so it is so beautiful. My favorite shade in here was Siren and Framed. That's Siren and this is Framed. These two shades were like my favorites. Again, very similar to the shade that I just showed you guys in the Rachel Leary palette. This like beautiful like burgundy, maroonish, purplish color is one of my favorite colors in eyeshadow. So I love it, but this palette is definitely expired. But I really do love it, so I'm probably gonna rebuy it. Most likely I'm going to rebuy it. But yeah, trash it. And next thing inside my palette is another Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, except this is the Armed and Gorgeous. Very, very, very new, barely touched. Haven't really messed around in it too much, but it's super, super cute. I really do love the shade Smooth Criminal. Also creative name. But this is a really, really, really pretty shade. And this is not expired. This is very, very, very new. So we keeping her. The next thing inside my makeup bag is my Rimmel London Wonder Lash mascara. I have had this mascara forever. This mascara is way past expired. And it's also empty. Okay, it's like dry, girl. Like that thing has been used to the max, and I'm definitely gonna rebuy it because it is a really good mascara. I love Rimmel for their mascaras. They're like my favorite brand for mascaras. Considering my lashes are very, very short, I think they do a lot for people who have like shorter lashes and make them, you know, curl and scratch and, you know, do all the right things you want your lashes to do. But yeah, this is expired and it's also empty, so she gotta go. The next thing in here is my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original mascara. This mascara is very, very new. I literally just bought this mascara a month ago, probably. This is a very new mascara. I haven't even used this mascara yet. It is a very new one, but I'm excited to use it. I've heard a lot of good things about this mascara, so hopefully it does wonders for my lashes as it has done for my friends. So yeah, this is not expired. She is new. We are keeping her. The next thing inside my makeup bag is my ColourPop No Filter concealer. I've had this concealer for a while. This concealer is definitely expired. I really did like it. I've used it a good bit, as you can tell, but it's not too close to empty, but it's almost empty. I used it a lot. I picked it up from Ulta Really, really good mascara. I want to try more ColourPop products, but this is the only ColourPop product I've tried so far. Really good concealer, but it is expired, so it's gotta go. Next thing inside my makeup bag is my Rimmel London Stay Matte Setting Powder. I've had this for a while. This is definitely expired. I got it in the shade 031 Pecan, and I've used it a good bit. Wait, hold up. This is not expired yet, but I've used this a lot, and I genuinely do love using it. I like a pressed setting powder more than a loose one. Obviously, loose ones are very, very messy, but they can be really, really good to use, but they're also messy, and I am a klutz, so we're keeping her. The next thing inside my makeup bag is my Bambi Eye Mascara. This is from L'Oreal. This is very, very new. I just bought this not too long ago. I love the applicator. It's super, like, rounded. I like rounded ones and, like, the shorter ones rather than the long ones because my lashes are not that long. But, yeah, this is not expired. This is very, very new, and I love it, so we keeping her. Next thing is my e.l.f. brow pencil. This is not expired, but this is broken, so we're gonna get rid of her. But I don't think it's expired yet. It's definitely not expired yet, but she's broken, very, very broken, so we're gonna get rid of her. The next thing inside my makeup bag is my Tarte Pro To Go palette. This is a mini Pro To Go palette. This is definitely expired. It's really, really cute, very compact. We love compact things. We do, because you can take them anywhere and they're small. No one likes to lug around very big items. That's with anything. So this is super, super cute. I love the brown shade right here. It was my favorite shade in this palette. I took this palette with me a lot. It was in my backpack, my purse, which I love backpack purses, as you guys can tell. Yeah, it's very, very, very expired, so we gotta get rid of her, but we loved her. The next thing inside my makeup bag is the Color Story Decadence Press Pigment Palette. I love this packaging. It is so freaking gorgeous. But I've barely even used this palette, guys, being completely honest, and it's not expired. It's very, very, very new. I picked this up from Target like 3, 4, yeah, it's been a minute, but it's nowhere near expired. So it's really, really cute. I really do love it. It has a lot of my favorite shades in it, or my kind of shades in it. That's why I picked it up. And also because I wasn't really familiar with the brand Color Story, and I like it. This is a really nice palette. I've used it before. I do like it, but I haven't used it as much, so I better use it a lot more now before it does expire. I think this palette was like 10 bucks at Target. So yeah, it's nowhere near expired, and I want to play with it some more, so we're keeping her. Okay, guys, the last things inside my makeup bag are these 3 lip stains. They are Tarte lip stains, and they're so cute because they have these little like figures on them. This is in the shade Red. These are very expired. This one is broken. But I like this red one. It was really, really cute, but I remember when this broke, and it's expired. The next one I have is in Berry. This was my favorite one to use, and this one is also expired, but it just looks like this. It's super, super cute. I love this color. It's a really pretty color, and I like that it had palm trees on it. Super cute. Expired though. The next one I have is in the shade Rose, which is also a pretty color, but not really my color, so I didn't really use this that much, but it is expired. But it's super, super cute. A little tint and shade off of Red, but it's super duper cute, and it just has little pineapples on it. It was super cute, but it is expired. Okay, guys, so this is everything that I am keeping, and this is everything that I am throwing away. So I think I did a really good job, but yeah, we made a little progress here. I think we did. We made a little progress. So guys, that was everything inside of my makeup bag, and you guys saw what I'm keeping and what I am throwing away. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below to join the Kim J fam, because I'd be glad to have you a part of it. And don't forget to hit that ding dong bell so you never miss a thing on the channel. And don't forget to be happier, because a happier you is a better version of you. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.